Alright, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I got another unboxing today. This is a new gun belt that I'm going to try out. This one is from a company called We the People. I'm sure most of you guys in the gun community, y'all probably pretty familiar with this company. And I'm going to see how this one compares to the Warrior Poet gun belt that I normally wear, that I've been wearing for a while. So yeah, sit back and we're gonna do this unboxing together.
Hey,
Yeah.
what's the name of that nightclub of yours again?
You talking about the Boom Boom Room?
Yeah, the Boom Boom Room. That's it.
Alright, so come in this cool bag here. And got a message on the back. I like their presentation so far. So far so good. Alright, let's get it up out of here. Got that fresh new car smell on this belt. I like that. So yeah, so far off first impressions from just sitting here, it feels a lot more sturdier than my Warrior Poet belt. And it comes with a like just a generic mag holder here. Yeah, this belt is a lot firmer. So, this how it looks coming out of the box. You got your waist size here. So, I'm gonna have to play around with it to figure out exactly. I know this clamp in the head, and you got your easy release, but I believe this part slides into here. Okay, it slides in like that. So it seemed like it'd be easier to adjust than this just your extra magazine holder. But yeah, compared to my my Warrior Poet belt, this one is a little more. You see how you got this for you to adjust the limb. So sometimes, for example, when you wearing your belt and you don't have your gun on you, you got that extra looseness from where your gun is. But if you just wearing it as a regular belt, it's gonna be a lot looser. So for you to adjust that, you have to, maneuver that part is kind of tight. This part is kind of tight to adjust. This one here seems like it'll be a lot simpler because it just slide like that. Hopefully I wasn't too close to the camera, y'all can see that. But yeah, and then you just clamp this part once you get your proper size. And yeah, I'm gonna start wearing this one, and I'm gonna test it out and see which one I like the best. But yeah, so far this one is a lot more sturdier. I can see. So yeah, I guess I'll wear this belt for a couple of days and come back and do an update video and let y'all know my thoughts and opinions on it. But any of y'all use this belt, or got any experience with this belt? What y'all think about this belt? And if any of y'all got this belt, how would y'all rank the two? So yeah, that's it for this video. A little quick short unboxing video of my new We the People belt. I also did get a universal mag holder, extra mag holder from We the People. Y'all seen 1,000 mag holders, so y'all know what they look like. So I ain't bring it down. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.